First, we want to listen. Then we must make judgments. In the course of your recording, you often have opportunities to record lost and disappearing sounds. For instance, something under the Burrard Street Bridge, I believe, at one of the city marinas.
Yes, that was a really delightful day. We'd suddenly discovered this marvelous sound. All the boats have metal masts, and the metal wires banging against the mast in a little breeze make a sound, something like little bamboo wind chimes.
And so I had to climb up the bell tower steps and hover underneath the trap door that led into the belfry. I was perched in a, again, very awkward position.
You could hear the creaking of the floor.
It sounded quite delightful to the ear, but when we recorded it, the microphones, of course, pick up the sounds of the traffic on Burrard Bridge.
It takes time for a sound to take on rich symbolic character, a lifetime perhaps, or even centuries. This is why sound marks should not be tampered with carelessly. Change the sound marks of a culture, and you erase its history and mythology. Myths take many forms. Sounds have a mythology too. Without a mythology, a culture dies.